Hi everyone, this is Sarah with Powertrain Products. I am back with another episode of Tech Talk. Today we are going to talk about transfer cases and a little bit about why we require an assembly number with every transfer case purchase. So a lot of people, when they call in to purchase a transfer case, they will say, oh, I have the model number, I have the VIN number, and while those things do narrow it down for us, it doesn't give us enough information to let us know exactly which transfer case it is. So despite the fact that you might have a new Process 243, there are multiple versions of the new Process 243 where the internals are different, and this does have a significant impact on whether or not the unit is going to work in your vehicle. So we do require the assembly number. Now the assembly number is going to be located on a tag physically on the transfer case itself. Now, I do have two units next to me. One of them is a Ford transfer case you're going to find in your later 90s model Explorers. The other one is a Dodge transfer case that you're going to find in your Dodge Ram applications. So there are three styles of tags where you are going to find the assembly number. The first one is going to be a tab style tag. The second one is going to be a round metal tag, and then the third one is going to be a sticker style. So somewhere on each of these tags you are going to find the model number, and then you are also going to find the assembly number. Now a lot of times this is going to be an 8-digit number, sometimes it is going to be a 6-digit number. You can always call in and ask your drivetrain genius the exact format of the assembly number that you need to know for your specific vehicle. Now, once we do have that specific assembly number off of the transfer case, we can find you the correct unit. It is important to note that a lot of times when you are purchasing a vehicle used, you don't always know what has been done to that vehicle. So while the VIN number will give me the original transfer case model, obviously it isn't going to tell me the model of the one in your vehicle if there has been a swap done. Now, it is also important to note that we get a lot of people who call in and say, oh, well, my transfer case has been blown apart, the tag isn't on there, this is old, I'm not able to read the tag. Whatever the reason is, there are still ways that you can find the information off of the tag. The first thing that you can do is call the dealership with your VIN number. You can call the parts department at your local dealership, give them your VIN, and they should be able to locate a part number for you, which we will then be able to use cross-reference and find the assembly number for the unit that you need. If you do need help locating the assembly number, if you do need help finding the information from the dealership, or if you have questions about how to read the tag, don't hesitate to reach out to us. The number is 888-842-0023, or you can visit us at powertrainproducts.net. Thank you.